Hi, I'm Bill Fetter, and this is Immaculate Paint Protection. The best time to protect your Tesla's paint is when your Tesla is brand new. You want to avoid paint damage, and you want a Tesla that's easy to keep clean and looks great all the time. Paint protection film is going to stop all the rock chips and stone chips, and we offer ceramic coating to make it easy to wash your Tesla. And 3, we're going to show you the proper methodology to wash your Tesla safely and effectively. You've worked hard for your Tesla, enjoy it. We're going to teach you hands-on the best methods to wash your vehicle. I'm going to show you the engineered wash process that we use here at Immaculate Paint Protection every day. If you can't get to Immaculate Paint Protection, the wash video is online, free resource for you to use so you can wash your Tesla the correct way. At Immaculate Paint Protection, we're here to earn your business for the long term. So let your friends, let your family know, let the fellow members of the Tesla community know that you came to Immaculate Paint Protection. That's going to help us continue to grow our business, continue to help others, and providing great service to the future Tesla owners. Look, we're going to help you make the best decision for you, for your Tesla, and for your Tesla's paint. Go to YouTube, like, subscribe, share. We got a ton of information out there. We got a ton of videos. We have a wealth of knowledge on our website at immaculatepaintprotection.com. We have transparent pricing posted online. We'll answer most of your questions. Call us, email us, request a quote. We're going to get you the information you need so you can make the best decision for you and for your Tesla. Quality, 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 and customer service. You have my guarantee that we're going to take care of you like family. We are the Tesla paint experts.